All right, Chris, I got something I want to share with you. All right.
Yeah, let's see it.
All right, cool. You can see my screen okay?
Oh yeah.
All right. So obviously, as you know, we're doing AI workers that can do end-to-end automation.
Yeah.
Like built one here for IT,
Mm-hmm.
and this is a fully autonomous AI worker that adheres to the company policy and goes into Jira and does stuff and does things in Okta and pings people in Slack. It's pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you know how people keep telling us like they kind of want to crawl and walk before they run and sprint with AI workers?
Yeah. How do we get off the starting line here? Right.
Exactly. I just realized we could literally repurpose our technology in the simplest way possible and give people immediate value like tomorrow.
Sweet.
You want to see this?
Yes, please.
All right, cool. So this IT worker, as you can see in the full blown experience here, I
Mm-hmm.
told it to use this company policy document to answer questions,
Mm-hmm.
right? If it's not detailed what the answer is in here, it doesn't take any action.
Okay.
And this is just how the company would train their employees, is just using that
Mm-hmm.
document. Here's how you handle
Mm-hmm.
tickets, right? I thought, go with me for a second here. If I create a work stream that listens for new tickets in Jira, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then it reasons through everything about the ticket,
Mm-hmm.
reads the company policy, and then suggests to the human, this is exactly what the company policy says. Here's where it says it in the policy. Here's what I believe with like 99.9% certainty you should do to close the ticket.
Whoa.
And then
Okay.
let the person do it. There's your crawl, right? Like just if you
Mm-hmm.
don't trust AI working to do its thing, then like let's just show
Let's
you how we can do it for
let's
your people.
let's try something simple. Yeah.
All right, so check this out. I'm going to connect to this Jira instance that you see over here. I'm going to
Okay.
connect to the hardware requests section.
All right.
Press save. Super simple. I'm going to say, tell the user what the ticket is all about. That's step one. Step two, I'm going to say, use the, and then I'm going to add in that company policy documentation. So let's go grab the right hardware company policy documentation. Use the company policy documentation on hardware to determine the right next steps to close the ticket. Recommend to the user what they do next to help close the ticket and highlight the information you pulled from the policy document that is leading you to suggest the next steps. 2 sentences.
Hmm.
Can you see where I'm going with this?
Oh yeah.
Figured you could. It wants me to name it. Let me call this. Let's call this IT Worker Copilot. That's all this is going to do. So we'll save it. We'll publish it. Here it is. So we'll come over here, go to activity, so we can sit here and wait for the ticket to come in. Let's go build a ticket. I'm going to say, can I get a new laptop? Mine is over 1 year old. Let's put that in the body as well. Press create. So an AI worker could easily pick this up, assign itself, start making adjustments, look at company policy. But a lot of people are just like, I want an AI win tomorrow.
Right.
Like, can I get an AI win tomorrow? The answer is if you documented how you do things, the answer is yes. Check this out.
It
There it
is.
is. Picked up the ticket. This
Okay.
is
That's
everything
all
that we
the.
saw, right?
Yep.
Reading the company policy documentation.
Whoa.
Now it's reasoning through the ticket and the policy, and it says ticket HRW 226 is a request about a new laptop.
Wow.
The requester says theirs is over 1 year old. According to company policy, employees can request new hardware by submitting an IT ticket, but must provide documented manager approval as part of the request. I might be in IT and I didn't realize, I'm like, oh, it's over 1 year old, so I think they're entitled. No, they still need
Wow.
manager approval. Next steps, ensure the requester provides their manager's approval sign off in the ticket. And then I could literally in here, I could just use our tools that our AI worker typically uses, right? And I could say, tell the user that their manager needs to approve on the ticket. So I'm going to fire that off. And if we come over here into Jira, you can see that's done. If I refresh in Jira, per the company's policy, your manager, it even like I said it in shorthand over here, and it even wrote it more appropriately over here.
And so, like, how long did that take? It's like a couple minutes, and now you're resolving tickets with the correct context that's applicable to the company. That's remarkable.
My head hurts because this is so trivial for us, but this is so meaningful for people. We went to the ends of the earth to train our AI worker on how to work completely autonomously. But there's just a simple thing that's waiting there right now, which is even for your very best people, wouldn't it be nice if AI took the first pass and said, I read all the documentation. You were probably going to do these things anyway, but this is what the policy says you should do. And then conversationally, I can just chat in here and just move on with my life.
That's insane. The other thing, there's like a piece of it too to ensure you're accurate, right? Like a human could make a mistake reading the policy, or maybe the policy's changed and the one they have committed to memory, right? It ensures that it's up to date on the policies and that they manage the ticket appropriately. That's wild.
Yeah, so I know this wasn't the vision of exactly how we always said that, like, AI workers should work, but I figured, people want their crawl experience. It's right here. So I just wanted to share this with you. So thanks.
That's awesome, because I feel like what I'm hearing in the last several years is the promise of AI. I'm in. How do I get started? It's overwhelming. Am I really going to just map everything out that we do at our job? No. Now you can just start with a first step and then, put that worker beside other employees. And now you're starting to get the benefit of the AI worker.